Hola, Professor Dwork. This is week 6, and we have only 2 people in the group today.
Okay.
Stephen did not visit us, and Megan had to take care of Arrow. So the first question was,
what challenges did we have this week? And I think that
these were definitely really hard. I did
these
not
are
know
different
what that was.
questions, and we wanted to take different approaches and different strategies to use. But once we realized we needed to use, I think we need to use implicit thinking about it, and not do what Kean was thinking. We came together and conquered it, so to speak. And
We didn't conquer anything. We
Okay.
didn't get it right.
we didn't get it right, but we tried our best.
We did
And
try our
we-
best.
So that's our ability. We tried to figure out what's
Yeah, so, I mean, the weird thing about this was that it was giving us circle functions, which have 2 variables in them. So that means you have to do implicit. And then, additionally, the weird thing was that this time, usually we're given a function, a point, and then we're asked to find the slope and then create an equation for that tangent line. Whereas this time, we had to find the point, we were given a slope and given a function. And so I was thinking that we had to take the derivative, so with x and y, that's implicit differentiation right here. And then I get it down right here. And then I try to solve for y up here. And then I subbed it back in. And I felt like I got pretty close because on the graph, it was a graph that kind of looked like this. It was our 2 axes. It was like a line.
Yeah.
And then there's a line at 1, at y equals 1. And then you also asked for us to find the line at y equals -1 as well. And so, like, I got that graph, but I got a weird decimal. This. I used the decimal function thingy, converted it into this big number right here. Still don't believe it's right.
Basically, for the second problem though, like you were saying that when we used the hint that it would help explain the algebra we were gonna do.
Mm-hmm. The next
This
problem.
next problem, but it was just really like where do we stop, where is it at?
Yeah.
But
And then it was the same thing, right?
yeah,
We
it's
ran
just
into
a
it.
little difficult this week to communicate on different strategies.
Right here, when I had to sub back in the y, is where I kind of got tripped up because then I started trying to solve for y, and then I didn't really understand how these radicals are working. I got it down to this, which I thought was right. I put it back in, and I got a syntax error. So either I typed it in wrong, but I guess the goal was to get all x's through implicit differentiation and then substitution. And then we would find where it intersects. That would give us our x, where it equals 1. And then do the same thing, put what we got for x, and then hopefully get our y. But that didn't work because syntax error. And then I also don't understand how the asteroid curves worked. Or like, not how they work, but how they fit into the problem. Because like I got it down to this. You either have 2/3 or 2/1. Which are like your 2 scenarios, and it's either an asteroid or not. But I don't really understand how that information was relevant. I don't think it was. I think it was kind of just a fun fact. Sarah tried to do something with unicircles.
Yeah, because it looked like a unit circle, and I was like, maybe 4/3 was power 3, because of where it was placed.
Yeah.
And then, but it wasn't really matching up. So just difficult communication, difficult
Well,
time.
that was week 6. Catch you later, Professor Dwork.